When I was still young, during my high school days, I encountered this phrase. If my memory serves right,
Serves me right.
serves me right, it goes like this. A kiss. To miss your kiss is simply awful. To miss your kiss is awfully simple. A kiss spreads germs. I've heard it stated, but kiss me, honey. I'm vaccinated. All right, maestro.
Ako kadugay sa
Kiss me, my honey, kiss me. Throw me, my honey, throw me. Don't care, even if I throw myself, but honey, don't stop. I'd like to play the little game for you. A little game, a special game for you. If you come close, then I will show you how. Closer, closer, kiss me, my honey, kiss me. Throw me, my honey, throw me. Don't care, even though I throw myself, but honey, don't stop. We've never played this game before. If you relax and feel alone before, just settle down and